Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to install and use the Conversational Form add-on in WP Forms. To do so, first, we need to install the add-on. To do that, hover on to WP Forms and click on the add-on. From the list of various available add-ons, you need to install this add-on. Simply click on Install Add-on and this add-on will be installed and activated. Once done, now we will create a form. Select the template as per your requirements. Customize or add the fields here as you like. Now to add this form as your conversation form, you need to click on the settings icon over here. Here you can see the conversational form settings. Simply enable this checkbox here. First, you can add a title to your conversational form. Next, you can optionally add a message as well. You can set the permalink as well. You can also add a logo, set the color scheme of the page as well. Select the type of progress bar. Once everything is in place, you can now click on this view link to view your conversational form page. So this is how my page is looking as of now, but you can make it more attractive and customize it using those settings. Once the user clicks on start, the form will appear like this. So this is how easy it is to install and use the Conversational Form add-on. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.